open any browsers to type like that, and first URL type, you can see asus.com, just click on it. Then this is your laptop, just click on it. After that click on support, then click on driver, select OS, then scroll down. Camera driver, okay, and click to download. So it will start. So it is completed, just click on it, then click on yes, okay, then next, I accept, next, install. So it is completed. Then restart your system, okay.